Good morning, biscuits. Today, that's me drumming on the table you're on, is a great day to have a fantastic day. Not just a great day, a fantastic day. Do you know how I know that? It is sprinkling down rain, which means it is a glorious, thoughtful, creative day. That's always what I say on rainy days. They're creative days. While I'm chatting, I'm going to put on some of this salve that I have. Actually, you know what? I should do my face oil first. If you want a full routine, I have the full rundown in the raw on Patreon. So a little face oil. I just hopped out of the shower. I meant to shower last night because I have some filming to do today, so I'll just have to push back my filming schedule. I think hair scratched me in her sleeve. Just a little face oil. I'm a little wet to put on face oil, but it's like, let's get this done because it's so nice. And I'm going to show you a little bit of my lymphatic drainage. So I'm having really rough, I have rough allergies every year, but this year how they're happening is congested sinuses and then really congested ears. And you biscuits know both kids were having allergies this year. They got double ear infections, which, like, how often does that happen? Like really bad ear infections. So I am going to do some lymphatic drainage. And right now I'm just kind of warming up my skin. So that's why I put the extra face oil on, even though I'm still kind of moistened from the shower. I'm going to help pull on all the pressure points because I could tell my system needs it. And you always have time for self-care, biscuits. Always. Don't listen to anybody who tells you you don't. How is your day going to go today? You are setting your whole emotional intentions. Doesn't matter if you believe in foo-foo stuff. Doesn't matter if you're going to sit and pray on your day. What intentions are you having for today? Are you going to feel things? I'm going to feel creative. I'm going to feel calm. I'm going to feel like I made things today. Art, food, all that good stuff. Leave your sister be. God, 4 is really a hard age for pair. You know, each kid has their ages. It's difficult. And Pear has been a little sweet angel her whole life. Like, so sweet. I went, oh my God, did I luck out with this kid? And now 4 has come in to absolutely kick everyone's butt in this family because she's having a hard time. She's just, you know, at that developmental stage. Okay. There, I feel like my skin is warmed up enough. I can feel I'm so congested, this isn't even getting anything going. But start your day with a little self-care. It can literally be 5 minutes. I'm going to put on some all-natural salve. I get this from a local herbalist. It's a Devil's Club salve. My wrists and things can get really sore because of my genetic thing where all my joints are really flexible, so they dislocate and things. And I was carrying heavy stuff because we kicked off the season at the farm stay experience, which is so exciting. We had our first guest of the season. It's actually a little bit early for us. It was a booking mistake through Airbnb that they allowed them to book when normally we'd still be working on stuff. And we were like, yeah, no, come on over, you know. And so that was very exciting to kick off the season. Woohoo, here we go. It's going to be our best season with no complications, super easy to maintain and run, and lots of bookings this year. That's right, I'm manifesting. I'm saying it on the YouTube. And so I just rub it in. And sometimes I'll do this twice a day. Not all the time, but like if I've been carrying heavy things, and then I give myself a little arm massage. Rub the rest of my hands. I might do my lower back, but I think I have to go check on small offspring and their grumpiness. Biscuits, come on. We're going to have a cozy, fantastic day at home. ever finish all the painting I had to do? Nope, not even kinda. I still have the other stuff to paint. But honestly, I've been so busy getting the farm stay up and going that has taken all of my concentration, if I am being truthful. That's okay.
Mama, can I push on the glass?
This is part of my, going easier on myself so that
Mama, can I push on the glass?
I have space and time in my brain to actually get things done and not rushing. So like if I don't get it all done, that's okay. Okay, my love, this is all trashy poodles. Grab it. Thank you. Exactly the function is like, you really have to lay it out
Mommy.
in a way that is just not what I expected. Yeah, what is it? Oh, let me think about it. Let me come look and see once I'm actually ready for that. Because I'm doing something right now. They are, overstimulating my brain. This is a new rule, family rule, that if I am clearly in the middle of a task, or maybe 3 tasks, they cannot come up to me, ask questions, expect a reply. They have to actually wait until I am ready, which is something that we have definitely been working on over the years, let me tell you. Whoops, sorry, I almost fell over. Okay, I think everything else I can get off with my leaf blower. Some of these things get stuck in the groove of the deck, and so I find it helpful to do like just a quick little sweepy poo. Some stuff was stuck under the door frame. I think everything else is just gonna be a quick blow with the leaf blower, because that saves so much time. The outdoor deck is coming together. Outdoor, of course it's an outdoor deck, the deck. We had pie. Did this lose its stick? I think this has gotten so dirty. We got a couple summer games. This we've had for a while. This is actually something I got for winter time. Oh, sorry, that was really close, sorry. Just a fun Velcro dartboard, and then I got a badminton set that I think is really going to be fun for them. So we're been using that, and they've really been liking it so far. Only downside is they really, really want me to play badminton every time with them. And I'm like, guys, I kind of got that so that you could be occupied. I got our fire pit together. I got it because I wanted to see if these were fire pits we could get for the farm stay. If they were like really good and hardy. I will say they're not hardy. They like rust as soon as it gets wet, even though they're really kind of like a higher end fire pit. Hi, love. Because my goal is to have 2 fire pit areas for people that stay there. Yes, love?
Can I take off this?
Yeah, if you're too hot, why don't you go put on a dress? And we're gonna see, but I finally got that put together. That's been 6 months, 5 months of me waiting to put that together and test it. And it just was so low down on my priority list, let me tell you. It is a beautiful day. It's not hot or anything. So we do the fun Dolly Parton Imagination Library books prepare, and she loves that. She loves getting a book with her name on them. It's very sweet to see, actually. Okay, I must finish up. They are clearly needing my attention, so I'm gonna go back to that and give them some one-on-one mom time because what an insane day it has been. Definitely time to make a bunch of food. So this is a day I don't normally make. Sorry, testing out this new outfit and I haven't decided on it yet. I am making a really like easy, quick meal because it just ended up being a little crazier of a day than I thought. So this is like my version of fast food. I'm doing some frozen roasted veg. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do some rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna peel it off the bone. I have my homemade rolls that I'm gonna cut in half. I'm gonna make little cheddar cheese paninis on those. And I happen to have more greens. So I'm gonna toss a big giant green salad together within the roasted veggies and the chicken on top. And the kids have been told that they have to eat some veggies today because of wildness. I think that they have been living off of like Nutella stuff for too long. And I love giving them treats, but I think I've fallen into the trap of like, it's just easier to give them these treats than fight them on meals. And so today I'm fighting them on meals and like, you have to actually eat stuff. I just got bubble mix in my freshly washed hair because I was helping Pear get her bubble machine going. But I'm glad to get food on. Oh, okay. We're gonna do, I think, this is just how I buy it in bulk and so I put it in a little container. I think we're gonna do some pepperoni on the paninis. This little double meat kind of thing. Okay, I can smell my food cooking. I gotta go biscuits, I gotta go. Good night, biscuits. What a lovely time we've had. I'm gonna go wash my hair. Bunnies are being cuddled. You know, I debated getting pets, or bunnies in particular, but they really just kind of have fit in for the kids really well. They are more work than a dog, I will say. So long term, I'm like, I think a puppy, or not puppy, but a dog is in our future. But they love these bunnies, and it's very sweet to see. I love that we are embracing cozy moments. You know, I was mentioning on Patreon, the power of not just slowing down, but of filling that space that you would have been hectic and busy with really intentional gentleness and coziness. You know, reading romance books, romanticizing our daily life. And that's felt really beautiful to do consciously. I've always kept myself so busy, and my metric of having a successful day or a successful year has always been how busy we've been. And this is the first like 12-month period where I really intentionally said, that's not how I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure how soothed and regulated our nervous systems are, how happy we are day to day, the quality, not the quantity of what we're creating in life. And it's felt good. It really has been, it has been a delicious food for my soul that I didn't even realize my soul needed. I'm going to see you on Patreon, and I'll see you on Instagram in between this and the next video.